Hey, my name is Diego Perez Lucumi. I am 37 years old and I am studying agronomy at una university. I like Santander de Glitchao, Cauca. I am free time in the line the going out with my friend in the line my team or movies and line searching my last vacation and the way to Chicamocha National Park. In the way for 3 by 3 and went to Passionate Free and drive somewhere and so the let's speak and the two so pictures at the line Wyman Cap Joshua prepare today wear and go to the proper and the least and tropical this all right with chicken. Forces will need a point of fries, night chicken, condiment. Excuse me. 3. Children a can of the fish and the currant and brine in the marron. 2 beef and the blanc and got 1 chicken breast. Preparation. If we could the breast and the boiling water to the water then and the brine with marron seal and serve to Saturday. To cut the night decided to have then right on the off open the cut of first and cover. 3. Glided 2 chorus and the big heaven and could they long and the very almost speed. We find Albert's to another Tom another and the fine of the right. Let's apparent free blind and that fourth and far of war shall to die today. 4. One the chicken is framed with the servant heat. 5. No. We put the chicken we put the chicken to free with their 1 girl showing the night second take high the can of the piece and shower condiments and tomato sauce to Thursday. Cheese and the chicken and deep fry are brains. We put every to another and the blood for and brave enjoy. Thank you.